Hello there, it's Daniela aka D. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. As you can see, there's another background once again because I'm currently in my bedroom in Holland, in my family home, or our family home, and it's a mess. Look at the pile of clothes behind me. Over there it's just messy, and this side is not too bad, so it's fine. I'm just gonna tackle it by tidying up, cleaning up as much as I can because there's dust that has accumulated, honey, and it's not cute. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna speed through it. So it's purely entertaining, and I hope you enjoy clean with me videos just as much as I do. Look at the cobweb behind this, and down here is just nasty. Look at the floor. So I brought in the cabinet. Just realized I put it in backwards. I want the holes to be to the back, so just gonna change that now. It's time for a little break because I'm hungry and I'm just thinking how I'm gonna make everything work. But this looks pretty decent. I just need to finish painting that bit, but yeah. Got stuff on the floor. Still got the stuff on the bed as well, but it looks so much better. So much space, you know. Looking at myself in the mirror like, ah. How are you? Where are you? Alright, so I got back from seeing Jenny, and that was a nice time, but I need to finish this room because I still have stuff on the bed and on the floor, so they need to go back. Let's continue. my room is done. It's nice, looking nice. But I couldn't show you everything because yesterday, as I was working on till late, the lighting obviously changed in my room and it was way too dark. So I just did everything off camera, and then I have now the results to show you. So I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. Please like and share the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I post my new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're loved and you're blessed. Bye!